Nice to meet you. Let's learn to draw an apple today. First, let's begin by drawing an ear-shaped line. Make sure you have a big half circle at the top and a smaller half circle at the bottom. Now that you have an ear shape, repeat this shape on the right. Don't forget to connect both shapes together.
Hey guys, can you draw Mommy some pictures to put up on the fridge?
But Mommy, I don't know how to draw any pretty pictures. Can you teach me how to draw a shark, Mom?
What if Quincy teaches you to draw while I finish making our dinner?
Ooh.
This is Quincy. She can help you draw and help you learn how to read and to do math. All right, let's grab our pencils and paper.
Nice to meet you. Let's learn how to draw a dog today. Let's begin. Start by first drawing a rectangle with 4 rounded corners. At the bottom of the rectangle, please leave a small gap. Next, our dog needs some hair. Great! Now you have a dog. Do you know how to spell dog? That's right. 2 apples plus 1 pear equals 3.
Mommy, look what Quincy taught me.
Wow, those look great. You guys are so smart. You want to hang them on the fridge?
Yeah.
First, start by drawing a long pointed C shape. This will be the nose and head of the shark. Now, let's start the shark's back. From the bottom of the fin, draw a long curved line from... Now, let's draw a line from the top of the curve straight across to the nose of the shark. The line